Ramp clear on this side. Copy that. Moving the next unit now.
The parasite count is lower than the previous quarter.
Significant improvement. Let's monitor the leukocyte levels closely. Sample 92 processing. Initial white cell count is stable.
Good. Monitor for any anomalies in the next cycle.
Pressure levels are fluctuating in chamber 3.
Reading confirmed. Adjusting flow rate parameters.
Sequence complete. All systems nominal.
Diversion confirmed on gate 4.
Acknowledged. Moving to cold storage now.
Keep an eye on the temperature fluctuation here. Yeah, I'm logging the adjustments now. The color looks consistent.
Increasing the drum speed to 45 RPM.
Ratios are stable now. Levels look good.
The humidity levels spiked in zone 3. Adjusting the intake valves now. The magenta is stable.
Confirmed. We can proceed with the batch.
We need to increase the drum speed slightly here.
Agreed. Bringing it up to optimal range now. The color saturation looks correct.
We've marked the defects on this batch. Send the next one down to lane 3. Confirmed. Rerouting now.
The algorithm optimized the yield by 3.2% on this section.
And the cutting path.
Yes, it's flawless now.
We need to verify the stress points on the schematic before the next sequence.
Confirmed. The robotic arm is calibrated for this section.
Under the focused LED light, the inspectors ensure perfect alignment before the components move forward.
The zipper cycle on Unit 7 is showing slight resistance at the apex.
Noted. The tension calibration seems accurate, though.
The tensile strength on the leather strap is holding steady at 500 newtons.
Let's increase the load by 10% and monitor the fatigue.
The latest scan data confirms the inventory count for Sector 4.
Excellent. Updating the manifest now.
The inbound shipment from Sector C is ahead of schedule.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the storage allocation.
In this state-of-the-art facility, robotic pickers navigate the aisles, retrieving specific pallets based on shipping orders.
The schedule is updated. We are ready to go.
All right, let's get this moving to the loading dock. Bay 3, slowly now.
All documents are clear for the Tokyo shipment.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now, you're clear to the dock.
Got it. Watch your space. Hang on. Put the next one right here on the corner.
Got it. Need another one?
Tenants. The scales are hand polished to achieve this unique luster.
Notice the
There you go. If you'd like to complete the purchase on the terminal.
Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you.
Have a
good day.